how to see your subscribers on YouTube. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So today we're gonna do this 2 times, once on the PC or the desktop and once on the mobile app. So here, after you open YouTube, while signing into your channel, you can see the subscribers in 2 ways. So first thing, go to youtube.com and then go to the upper right to your profile picture and click on your channel, and you can find your subscribers count here. But in order to see the subscribers count and also see some of the subscribers account, you have to go again to the profile picture and click on it, but for this time click on YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, this page will open for you, and as you can see here, you can find the subscribers count, and when you scroll down you can find some of the recent subscribers, and you can click on see all and see some data about the subscribers. So that's it for the desktop. For the phone, you can go and open YouTube and then go to the upper right profile picture and click on your channel. Here you can find your subscribers count. This is a test channel, so as you can see there is no subscribers. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.